Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fill in the SAU application form 2026. If you are applying this year and feeling confused about the process, don't worry. I'll cover everything from registration to final submission, but please make sure that you watch the video till the end so you don't miss on any important step. So let's begin. So first step is to visit the official website. Always make sure that you are using the official website to avoid any kind of issues later. So this is the official website of SAU. On the right hand top corner, you can see this blue apply now button. We need to click on this button to start our registration process. Once you click on the button, you will reach this window. Please scroll down and come here. You will see this SAU entrance test mode. So in this, please click on this yellow apply now button. Once you click there, you will reach this window. Here you have to log into your account, but before logging in, we first have to register. So for new registration, we have to click on this register button in the bottom corner. This is the registration form that we need to fill in. So provide all the details, your mail ID, first name, middle name, if any, last name, if any, guardian type, guardian's name, your date of birth. Please choose your country of residence, your mobile number, country of nationality, fill in the security code. Once you fill all the details, please check once again that all the information that you have provided is correct. If you feel that any information is wrong, you can edit it. And if you are satisfied with the information, please click on register. Then yes. So then you will receive OTPs on your mobile number and your mail ID, which you have provided. So first we have to fill in the mobile number OTP and then our mail ID OTP. So please check your mail ID and your mobile number. You must have received the OTP. Fill in correct OTPs here. After filling in both the OTPs, we'll get this user ID and password. Please make sure that you save this user ID and password along with you because this will be required whenever you want to log into your account later on in future. So please save this along with you. Please take the screenshot or keep this information saved with you because this will be required. Once you have saved it, click on proceed. Now you will reach this dashboard. Here, the basic information is already provided that you have filled in. Please check it and then click on complete your registration. So there are various steps, like first is the registration, and then you need to upload your documents and then do the payment. Once the payment is done, the form will be visible to you. Print that form or download that form and keep it saved with you. So we are at step 1, that is registration. So in order to complete the registration, click on this complete your registration button. So this dashboard will appear. Candidate name is already filled in. Please choose your gender. Your country of residence will come here. Preferred test country. So choose the preferred test country. Now in the preferred test country, we need to provide 2 preferred test center cities. So whichever city I'm dwelling in, I'll choose that city as my first preferred city. So since I'm from Delhi, so I'll go for Delhi as my first priority for test preferred city center 1. And second will be the city that is nearest to me. So choose any from the list that is nearest to you. Now, then you have to provide how did you come to know about SAU. So choose any from the list. Then provide your address details. So address line 1, fill in your address details. Address line 2, then city, state, choose the country and your PIN code. This is the permanent address that we have filled in. If the present address is same as permanent address, please click on same as permanent. So this will be automatically filled in. But if both are different, so please fill present address details manually. And then programs that we want to apply. So since we are applying for master's program and in master's program, we are applying for MA economics. So I'll go for this MA economics. Now in MA economics also, there are 2 options, MA economics 1 year and MA economics 2 years. So MA economics 1 year is generally for those students who have done their 4 years graduation. So they will choose MA economics 1 year. But the students who have done their graduation for 3 years only, they will choose MA economics 2 years. So currently I'm going for MA economics 2 years and this will open in front of me. Please read this carefully. And once you have read it, please click on this. Please check this button. I have read and understood the information and click on proceed. Scroll down, click on this button, check this button and then save and continue. Please make sure that you provide all the information very correctly. Please don't save your information if you are not sure about the information. Cancel it, check your information, make sure that it is correct and then come down, click on save and continue and click on yes. So these are the various steps. Step 1 is already completed. We will go with step 2, that is uploading our documents, and then we will make our fee payment. And the last step will be printing out the registration form. So now let's move on to step 2. So click on proceed. So choose your documents like upload the photo. So it is giving me a validation message that the file size must be 100 KB or less. So please make sure that the size of the photo must be within 100 KB limit. and upload the photo. So as per the file size requirements, please upload both the photo and the signatures. Make sure that both are within the file size requirements. That is, they should be less than 100 KBs. Once you have uploaded both the documents, your photo and signature, then you will have to provide your identification proof. So you can choose any identification proof, your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or whatsoever is available to you. So click to upload identification proof button. So upload your Aadhaar card or whatsoever identification proof you are uploading. Please make sure that it is also less than 100 KB. So I have uploaded my Aadhaar card, and in this identification type, please choose the document whichever you are providing. Since I have uploaded my Aadhaar card, so I will choose Aadhaar card here. If you are uploading your passport, then choose passport. If you are uploading your driving license, then choose driving license. So choose accordingly. And whichever document you are choosing, you need to provide its number here. So I am providing my Aadhaar card number. Once you have provided the Aadhaar card number, please check all the information. Correct photo, correct signature, and correct identification proof should be uploaded. And correct number of identification proof should be written here. Once everything is correct, click on upload documents. These documents will get uploaded. Now we are on the last step, that is paying the application fee. Check all the information. Payable amount is this. Click on this I declare button. Read this very carefully and check this button and then pay your fee. So it will give you this message, proceed with payment. So if everything is correct, click on yes button. If some modification is required, click on cancel and edit. And once you are sure of everything, then click on yes. So make sure that the payment is successful and keep a screenshot of it for future reference. This window will open in front of you. Just check this button and choose the payment type, whether it will be from credit card, debit card, net banking, or UPI, and then click on payment now button. Again, I'm telling that before submitting, review all your details very carefully. Once submitted, you may not be able to edit the form. So please check all the information very carefully and then click on submit button and then proceed with the payment. Once you have paid your fee, make sure that you keep the application form downloaded with you and fee payment receipt also downloaded with you for future references. And that's it. This is the complete registration process of SAU from registration to payment. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts regarding this, please make sure that you put it in comments and I'll definitely reply to your query. Thank you.